and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful square with a flower in the center. It is a very easy square to work with. You can work it with for a blanket, for a jacket, whatever you like. I'm just showing you for the sake of teaching a tutorial. So let's start, shall we? I'm using 3.25 millimeter hook size. So now I'm going to start by doing a slip knot, creating like this, insert inside, pull, and this is my slip knot. Now I need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then doing a slip stitch in the first chain to create my circle. Now in this circle I'm going to work what? In the circle I'm going to work a cluster of 2 DC. So I'm going to chain 2 to begin my row, and then doing a double crochet, which is yarning over, insert inside, pull, and then I have 3 loop, the first one and the second, then 2 chain. Now to begin the cluster I'm working as if I'm doing a double crochet, pull, I have 3 loop, but I'm going to yarn only the first 2 loop, yarn again as if I'm doing another double crochet, then I have 4 loop now, the first 2, now I have a 3 loop remaining. I'm to insert through all 3 loop, and this is my cluster of 2 double crochet, and then chain 2 again, yarn over, insert inside, pull, I have 3 loop, I'm going to insert through the first 2 loop only, yarn over again, the first 2 loop only, and then I have 3 loop in my hook, so through all loop, and this is my cluster, and chain 2. Now I have what? 3 cluster. I need another 5, a total of 8. So continue doing this and come again for the next row. I've worked my 8 cluster, so I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of the first cluster, chain 1 and pull and cut. Now I'm going to insert the color after I've changed at any of the chain 2 spaces, creating a knot, and then I'm going also in this row I'm going to work a cluster but of a triple crochet. So I'm going to pull, and then I'm going to work 3 chain. Now the triple, which is yarning it twice, insert inside, pull the first 2 loop, the remaining 2, and then chain 2, and doing at the top of a single crochet. Again I'm going to chain 2, working cluster of triple, so I'm yarning twice in the chain, in the chain 2 spaces, again pull, I have 4 loop, the first 2, the second 2 loop, and then again yarning it twice, insert inside, the first 2 loop, the second 2 loop, I have 3 loop through all loop, yarn, chain 2. At the top of the previous cluster I'm going to work a single crochet, again chain 2, cluster of a triple here, so chain, yarning twice, the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, again I have 3 through all 3 loop, chain twice, and then at top of previous cluster you're going to work what? A single crochet. You're going to continue doing this 5 more times, and then come again to transform this beautiful flower into a square. Now I'm going to insert at the, sorry, I worked my last single crochet, so I'm going to chain 2, and then at the top I'm going to work a slip stitch, or let's do in the third chain, do a slip stitch, and then chain 1 and cut. Since we worked around this yarn, so I'm going to cut. Also this yarn I'm going to cut. And now let's turn it into a square. I'm going to insert the color at any of top cluster from previous row. At any of the top cluster, see? Insert the new color, and then creating a knot. I'm going to start by working on the corner, which is 3, 1, 2, and 3 chain. Again, I'm working in the corner, which is a 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. So this represents 1 double crochet in the circle. I'm going to pull the first 2 and the remaining 2. Again, another double crochet. 3 chain. In the same spot also we're going to work what? 3 double crochets. So this is my corner. Now I'm going to work what? 2 chain, and then on the top of the next cluster I'm going to work a single crochet, chain 2, and then again in the next top cluster we're going to work the corner. So what's going to happen, since we have 8 petals, so 8 corner, which is 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet for each of the corner, and in between them at the top of the cluster you're going to work 1 single crochet with a 2 chain space between the corner and the single crochet. So continue doing this pattern 3 more times and come again for the next row. Now I have worked my last, I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain, then do another slip stitch to reach my middle single crochet. I'm going to chain a 3, which represent 1 double crochet. Again in the same spot I'm going to work another 2 double crochet. Then in the corner we're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Okay, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and then chain 2, and repeat again 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet, chain 1 double crochet, between them 2 chain, and here in the middle we'll work 3 double crochet. So also here in the middle we're going to work in the middle from previous, you're going to work what? 3 double crochet. Now in the next chain space I'm going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1, again 1 double crochet. In the next space also 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. What I have done before we're going to repeat. So here in the middle we're going to work 3 double crochet. So you're going to repeat what we worked here. So this is the corner. In the middle, you're going to work a 3 double crochet. Here in the middle, 3 double crochet. And in the corner, 1 double chain, 1 double, 2 chain, 1 double, chain 1, 1 double. And then you have here the 2 chain space. We're going to work 1 double chain, 1 double crochet. Again, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So continue doing this and come for the last row. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook. Chain 1 and cut. I'm going to change the color using the lighter shade of purple for that as my last border. So I'm going to insert at the 2 chain space, see here, at the 2 chain space to begin my row, which is also going to be the corner. Now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, 3, represent 1 double crochet, and then another double crochet in the same chain, chain 2, again 2 double crochet. Now we're going to work a double crochet in all the previous row. Also in the 1 chain space, you're going to work 1 double crochet. So here I have a double, so I'm going to work a double crochet. And then here there is a chain, so another double crochet. Also here a double crochet. I have a 3 double crochet again. Then here also 1 double crochet. I have a chain, so a double crochet. Also double. Here a double. Then a chain also 1. Here a double. Now I have a 3 double crochet, so in all of them 1 double crochet. Oh, I missed one, sorry. Here at the top I have another double crochet and another. Then I have here the 1 double chain, 1 double, so 3 double crochet. And then a chain, a double, also 1 double crochet, which bring me to what the corner which we began with. And this is my last row. So continue doing and count 4 at the end. I have finished all my double crochet. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, and then chain 1 and cut. And this is my square. You're going to clean this. How am I going to clean? I'm going to insert the needle and then insert at the back loop only. Insert as many as you could and then cut. Also, this is our square for today. I hope you like my video, and subscribe in my channel, press the like button. Until the next time, thanks for watching.